Hello everyone, welcome to Pravya'S Food Diaries. I hope you all are having a good time and enjoying our recipes. And if you love watching them, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. In this video, we are going to see the recipe of baked Roshogulla. In a saucepan, add milk and let it simmer. Switch off the heat before it starts to boil, and then let it cool for about 4 to 5 minutes before curdling the milk. This process will make your Roshogulla soft, so don't forget to rest it for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar mixed with 2 tablespoons of water in bag. Once the milk curdles completely, transfer it to the muslin cloth to separate the chenna from the wheat. Squeeze out the excess water, making sure it doesn't dry completely. Let it have some moisture left in it. For the sugar syrup, add 2.5 cups of sugar with 5 cups of water. If you like it too sweet, you can add half cup of more sugar. Knead this chenna until no granules are left and it is silky soft and smooth. Now make the small balls of the chenna and add it to the boiling sugar syrup. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down till room temperature. To make the flavored milk, boil 500 ml of milk with some saffron strands and cardamom powder for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, add condensed milk to the milk. In a baking tray, add Roshogulla, squeezing out the excess sugar syrup. Top it up with the prepared flavored milk. Bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve them hot with the garnish of almonds and pistachio. I hope you will enjoy and love this baked Roshogulla. Do enjoy this baked Roshogulla this Diwali, and if you love it, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.